The Quran poses a challenge that humans will live, die, and be resurrected from Earth. The challenge is in threefold. Humans will live on Earth, die on Earth, and be brought out from Earth. Any deviation from this statement will defy God's assertion and break this Quranic challenge. Elon Musk and SpaceX are trying to break this challenge by taking humans to live and die on Mars. Until humans can live, die, and be resurrected from another planet, this Quranic challenge remains unbroken. After Adam and his wife transgressed, God said in Quran 7:24-25, "Fall, some of you enemies to one another. On earth you will have residence and livelihood for a while." He said, "In it you will live, and in it you will die, and from it you will be brought out." For detail, click the link in my bio to get Quran Unbroken Challenges on Amazon.
Once you said you want to die on Mars, why?
If we're born on Earth, why not die on Mars? Given the choice of dying on Earth or dying on Mars, I'd say, yeah, sure, I'll die on Mars.